Welcome to Viewpoint 360. Today, Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi digitally inaugurated 35 PSA oxygen plants in different locations across 35 states and union territories of India from AIIMS Rishikesh, Uttarakhand. While speaking at this event, India stressed with the COVID-19 crisis, Prime Minister acknowledged it as the crisis of the century. Applauding the vigor and enthusiasm with which India faced the crisis, he said, "Through the efforts of all, from just one lab at the beginning of the pandemic, we now have 3,000 testing labs in the country. The government worked around the clock to boost production and supply of essentials such as N95 masks, PPE kits, ventilators. The movement to become Atmanirbhar ensured self-sufficiency in all our capacities." He also mentioned the critical role played by Made in India ventilators and the largest vaccine drive undertaken worldwide to combat COVID-19. The Prime Minister, while underscoring India's journey to manage medical oxygen, observed, "India's oxygen production capacity of 900 MT has increased more than tenfold since intervention. The management of production and transportation of oxygen in the time of crisis on a war footing set an example in itself. Oxygen tankers were flown out, special oxygen express were run. DRDO used the oxygen collection technology of Tejas aircraft to deploy the first oxygen plant." He also pointed out that massive work was undertaken thereafter. All districts now have at least one PSA plant made available to them. Centre, along with the states, have commissioned 4,000 new oxygen plants. 1 lakh concentrators were also installed with a focus on geographically distant areas. The Prime Minister congratulated all persons associated with the vaccination drive. He expressed his elation that the 100 crore mark will be reached soon. The CoWIN platform, he noted, has scaled up the drive in a geographically diverse country, enabling vaccination in mountain deserts, jungle plains, sessions for as less as 10 people to those enabling vaccine administration to 10 lakh people. Mentioning the recent efforts to transport vaccines in hard-to-reach areas by drone, the Prime Minister pointed out the momentous effort of the government in vaccinating people of the Terai region. AIIMS in every state and medical college in every district were highlighted as the aim of the government, Prime Minister said. Last mile delivery of healthcare is not possible with the network of AIIMS limited to 6 to 7 states. Every state should have an AIIMS. The Ayushman Bharat program has also helped in easing pressure on government hospitals, reducing waitlist of operations, while the newly launched digital mission will address the menace of lack of medical history. On the target of opening one medical college in every district, he noted that colleges have been opened in 170 districts. Prime Minister described center-state coordination in Uttarakhand as Vikas ka double engine. He congratulated the state on achievements of vaccination and outlined the progress of central schemes being implemented along with the state, which will transform the lives of people. Sri Mansukh Mandavia expressed his admiration of the Prime Minister on his completion of 2 decades of Lok Seva. He noted 2 decades of experience as an adept administrator has enabled India to tide over the COVID-19 crisis, in which the health system of several Western countries exhausted themselves. The Prime Minister Garib Kalyan package has enabled the poor to evade the ill effects of the public lockdown. Not only the poor, India trusted and acknowledged its scientists to develop, roll out and systematically administer COVID-19 vaccine across the country. To contextualize this achievement in the sphere of health, the Union Minister said, rotavirus vaccine developed in 2006 came to India in 2014. The hepatitis B vaccine after 11 years. Rabies vaccine developed in 1980 came to India in 1999. We not only developed COVID-19 vaccine ourselves but also ensured wide availability. Speaking on the inauguration, he expressed his elation that with the inauguration of 35 PSA oxygen plants, 1191 plants will have been made operational in 108 days. In fact, this is a great step ahead in the field of health sector. Thank you for watching. This is Durga Iragunta signing off.